Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin while backed up. Make sure you have a current iCloud or Finder backup before changing firmware. Once done, open Settings and go to General, then VPN and Device Management, and remove the iOS 26 beta profile. This prevents future beta installs. Plug your iPhone into a Mac or PC with the latest Finder or iTunes. Keep the cable connected. You're now ready to exit beta mode. The next steps will restore stable iOS and remove beta system files. You next put the phone into recovery mode, press the model-specific button sequence, and hold until the recovery screen appears. Then, in Finder or iTunes, select the device and choose Restore. Pick Restore to reinstall the latest public iOS rather than updating. This erases the device and removes beta system files, so make sure the backup is ready. The app will download the firmware and install it. Be patient and avoid disconnecting the cable while the process runs to prevent corruption. Once the restore finishes, set up the iPhone. You can restore from your backup to recover data or set up as new to ensure no beta leftover settings remain. If the restore fails, try recovery mode again. If problems persist, enter DFU mode and reflash using a downloaded IPSWA in Finder or iTunes. This is deeper and removes stubborn beta code. If you encounter activation or hardware errors, contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar for diagnostics. That usually resolves complex issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.